Aiden here from Wildlife Treat, wishing you a happy Save the Rhinos Day. Today I want to help us save the rhinos. One of my favorite ways we can do that is by participating in a bowl-a-thon called Bowling for Rhinos, sponsored sort of by the American Association of Zookeepers. Check out their website to find when your local chapter hosts its Bowling for Rhinos, because it's different for every city. And the money from Bowling for Rhinos 100% goes to helping places like the Lowell Wildlife Conservancy, which protects East African rhinos, like black rhinos and white rhinos, like this handsome fellow right here. And the Indonesian Bowling for Rhinos, money goes to helping Javan and Sumatran rhinos. And it's not just helping rhinos, it's helping protect their habitat. And when we protect rhino habitat, we also protect habitats for animals like cheetahs as well. Let's protect all the animals, but especially the rhinos, on Save the Rhino Day. Bye, friends. See you next time.